Namaste and welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the vibrant world of Holi, the festival of colors. Holi is also known as the festival of love, marks the arrival of spring and the victory of good over evil. It's celebrated with a lot of enthusiasm and joy across India and in many parts of the world. The highlight of the Holi is the playful throwing of colored powders and water balloons, spreading happiness and love. And of course, no festival is complete without delicious sweets. Gujias, thandai, and other traditional treats are enjoyed during Holi. Thank you for joining us as we celebrate the joyous festival of Holi. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cultural insights and celebration. Happy Holi!